Our story today is about a man called John. John was a special man sent by God to help everyone get ready for Jesus to come. He lived way out in the desert and dressed in rough clothes made out of camel hair. He ate bugs and honey. But even though he didn't look or act like everyone else, people used to come from far away to listen to him talk about God. Then, if they believed what he said, he would baptize them in the Jordan River. He baptized so many people that everyone began to call him John the Baptist. Sometimes the leaders of the people, called Pharisees, would come and pretend to believe John. But he was never fooled. He told the Pharisees that God doesn't want people to pretend. John said that if a person really cares about God, then he or she will act like it. People who love God will be kind and share with others and help people. The Pharisees never shared or helped people. One day, while John was baptizing people in the Jordan River, Jesus came and asked John to baptize him. John knew that Jesus was the Son of God. So he said, "I can't baptize you, Jesus. You should baptize me." But Jesus said that it was okay for John to baptize him. Jesus was only doing what he knew God wanted him to do. So John baptized Jesus in the Jordan River. After Jesus came up out of the water, he saw the Spirit of God coming down from heaven just like a little white dove. Then God spoke from heaven and said, "This is my Son, whom I love very much. He always does things which make me happy." After Jesus left the river, John kept teaching people about God and baptizing them because that's what God wanted him to do. Walking with God, I don't have to hurry. Walking with God, I'm not alone. Walking with God, I don't have to worry. Walking with God, I am His own. Walking with God, I don't have to hurry. Walking with God, I'm not alone. Walking with God, I don't have to worry. Walking with God, I am His own. Come on, everybody, sing with me. Walking with God, I don't have to hurry. Walking with God, I'm not alone. Walking with God, I don't have to worry. Walking with God, I am His